Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to do this viral trend on Instagram, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here we have to search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And then from my page you have to go to new 2022 March at highlights. So if you click on it, you will see that it is new 2022 March. So now you just have to tap until you find the desired sticker. So it's the fourth one, as you can see. And from here you have to click on the others button. And if you are not able to click on the others button, once I will do the story, I will show you from where you can get a YouTube tutorial to help you solve your problem. But first, let me do the story, and afterwards I will show you that tutorial. So keep on watching. Now we can go to our uploads and choose a background photo for our story. So I will go ahead and do that. I will go with this photo, and now you have to go to stickers from the top of the screen, and then you have to go to questions. And here at the bottom, as you can see, we have two options: text with ask me a question, and then what song should I listen to. And from here you can add whatever you want. You can say what song would you like me to listen to, or choose a song or something like that. So now you have to click on done from the right top corner, make this smaller, and now you can also go to stickers once again from the top of the screen and then go to music and choose a song from here, just like this. And once you are happy with it, click on done from the right top corner, and of course share your story with your friends. So guys, now if you are not able to click on the others button, what can you do? You have to go once again on my Instagram account on Ali and John YTT, and then from here you have to go to super viral at highlights. There we have it. And here you can see that it says not able to click on add yours button. Then you can click on this YouTube link right here, and it will get you to my YouTube channel, to a video that has only 2 or 3 minutes. I think it's super easy to follow, you will see that. And it's also really easy and super short, and it will definitely help you, so make sure to check that. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video, and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.